Do you feel lost when people speak English too fast? Are you tired of missing important words in conversations or movies? You are not alone. Most English learners face this problem every day. But here is the good news. You can train your ears to understand English faster, just like a native speaker. And you do not need perfect grammar or a huge vocabulary to do it. In this episode, I will share simple, step-by-step techniques that will help you catch the meaning quickly and speak English with confidence. By the end, you will know exactly how to listen better and understand fast English naturally. Let us start with the first secret. Do not try to understand every single word. Focus on the message and key words instead. For example, if someone says, "I was walking down the street and suddenly I saw my old friend," you don't need to catch every word. Words like walking, street, friend are enough to understand the story. This is how native speakers listen too. They catch the meaning, not every word. Now, how can you train your brain to do this? Keep listening every day, even if only for 5 minutes. Short daily practice is better than long sessions once a week. This is the first step to faster English understanding. Now, let's talk about practical steps you can take every day to improve your English listening skills. Step 1. Listen every day. Even just 5 minutes is enough. Your brain needs daily exposure to English sounds to get better. Step 2. Focus on keywords, not full sentences. For example, if you hear, "Yesterday, I went to the market, bought apples, and met my neighbor." Try to catch words like yesterday, market, apples, and neighbor. These words tell you the main story. Step 3. Train slow to fast. Start with easy English content like children's stories or podcasts made for learners. Then slowly move to faster content like movies or real conversations. Think of it like exercising in a gym. You start with light weights and increase gradually. Step 4. Repeat and shadow. Shadowing means listening to a short clip and immediately repeating it out loud. Try to copy the speaker's speed, tone, and rhythm. It may feel strange at first, but this practice sharpens your ears and makes your speaking more natural. Also, remember that native speakers connect words when they speak. For example, "What are you doing?" sounds like "what you doing?" "I am going to eat" becomes "I'm gonna eat." Learning these connected sounds will make fast English much easier to understand. Next, I will share smart tips on how to use subtitles and repetition to train your ears even better. Keep listening. Now, let us explore how to use subtitles and repetition in a smart way to improve your listening. Tip 1. Use subtitles the right way. First, listen without subtitles. Second, watch again with subtitles to check what you missed. Third, watch one more time without subtitles. This cycle trains your brain to recognize real English sounds, not just written words. Tip 2. Listen more than once. You need to hear the same information, but your brain needs repetition. When you hear the same clip 3 or 4 times, you catch more each time. It's like cleaning a window. The more you wipe, the clearer it gets. Tip 3. Use short clips, not long movies. Choose 1-minute clips instead. Repeat them, copy the speaker, and practice shadowing. Tip 5. Use context to guess meaning. If you hear a word you do not know, look at the situation. For example, if someone says, "Wow, it's pouring today," and points outside, you can guess it means heavy rain. Remember, understanding English is not about knowing every word. It's about understanding the situation and message. Let me tell you a story about Ali. Ali always felt frustrated when he watched movies. He thought native speakers spoke a different language. Instead of giving up, Ali tried a new method. Every morning, he listened to a 2-minute podcast. First, he understood only a few words, but he kept listening daily. After 1 month, he understood full sentences. Then he added shadowing practice. The first time he watched a movie without subtitles and understood the story, he smiled. He realized, "I can do this." You can do it too. What you need is daily practice, small steps, and courage. Let us quickly review what we learned today. Don't chase every word. Focus on the message and keywords. Train slow to fast, step by step. Practice shadowing to sharpen your ears and mouth. Understanding English fast is training, not magic. Don't wait until tomorrow. Start today with one small clip. Thank you for listening. If this episode helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You only need to keep going. One day, you will say with confidence, "Yes, I can understand English fast."